Hey guys, what's going on? This is Rico with Genius Marketing. I wanted to cut this video real quick to share with you why I think the Conversion Pros is one of the best marketing tools that you can ever have if you are running an online business, okay? Even if you're offline, even if you're brick and mortar. I sell some of the pages to lawyers and real estate agents as well, and restaurant owners. But if you're running any type of online business, any network marketing business, anything, the Conversion Pros is one of the best tools that I have ever gotten my hands on. Okay, so before I show you the Conversion Pros, let me draw a little something here for you of how a funnel works. Okay, so when you're in network marketing, okay, let me put network marketing or any type of business that's online, right? Business online, okay. That's for network marketing or business online. They both go together with one another, okay? If you need leads, right, instead of just sending people to your page, right, I get a lot of people that ask me to look at something, look at their business, and they just send me right to the company page. The problem with that is they don't know what I looked at, if I even looked at it. You know, they don't know how much I looked at and if I'm interested, because they could have sent me the page, right? And I could have got distracted by my kids. And I walked away from the computer and somebody changed the tab and I just forgot about it, right? So you need a funnel system that captures information and also where you can send out information to them, okay? So again, this is network marketing, business online, all the same thing. So I'm going to create this little capture page here, okay? This is a capture page, right? And what a capture page does is just what it sounds like. You have your name and email field in there, or some people just have the email field, or some people have name, email, and phone number, right? So you put that up there, okay? And then once they put their information in, right, you send them to your presentation, right? That presentation can be you talking, which I suggest if you're in business online, that you create what they call a bridge page and you make a video of yourself welcoming your new subscriber and thanking them for subscribing and showing them exactly what they're going to get involved with. So we're going to call this right here the bridge page, okay? And this is a video of you. Oh, this is horrible, sorry. This is a video of you, of you know, thanking them for coming to the page and opted into your page, okay? Then there's going to be a button down below, okay? And then you're going to take them to another page. And that next page, that's where it can be the presentation. So now they done filled out their information. They seen you. They seen who they're about to work with. And then it takes them to the presentation, okay? Presentation. I'm going to put Prezi. Alright, so in the presentation should be a video, whether it's your generic company video, okay? Something telling them about the business, the products, the services that you offer, and the compensation plan, how they're going to get paid, okay? So that is the funnel system right there. Now, when they put their information in, they're going to get sent to your bridge page, or if you don't want to create a bridge page at the moment, send them directly to your presentation. Either or, they're going to get sent right directly to one of these pages once they put the information in. And then their information will be dropped into what we call an autoresponder, okay? And a lot of companies charge depending on how many leads you have in an autoresponder, right? So if we look at, if you go to aweber.com, right? This is aweber.com. This is a lot of people use their services. They're good. They're pretty good. And as you can see, once you start, it starts off cheap in the beginning, but once you start adding lists, right? So I have about 5,500 people on my list. So now I would be paying $69 a month here, right? And as you start building, it starts costing more, right? That you have to get a quote for 25,000 plus added to your list. Let's go to another big one, which is getresponse.com. This is another autoresponder, right? Let's look at their price. Again, starts off cheap for up to 1,000, right? And then as you get up there, look at that, 100,000 leads. is $1,200 a month. Now you're probably thinking, I'm never going to get 100,000 leads. But if you build your list, you will. It may take you some time, depending on your budget or how you're getting your leads. I know people who got 100,000 leads within 6 months, right? So it all depends on how you're getting your leads, right? But I just wanted to give you an idea of how they charge for their leads, and I'll come back to why I showed you that in a minute. But anyway, so it's the autoresponder it drops into. Now the autoresponder, you can now push out emails to them. So now you have their information, because maybe they put their information in here, they looked at your page, but they clicked off for whatever reason, right? They got distracted, they wanted to come back and look at it, but they forgot. That's okay, because you got their information. So now, every day or every other day, whenever you want to send them messages, you can set up what we call an email sequence, where messages automatically go out. You create these messages in the autoresponder back office. You create however many you want to create, and it'll go out whenever you tell it to go out, hands-free. Of course, you got to do it in the beginning, but you can set up a 30 email campaign and have it go out every day for 30 days, and you only have to set it up one time, and then it will continue to go out. That's called the email sequence. Okay? And usually in the email sequence, I give value, then I present to them, then I give them value, and then I, present to them to try to, get them to upgrade to whatever I'm offering. You can do the same thing no matter what you're doing. Get them to come back into your establishment, get them to pay for something that you're selling, or get them to join you in whatever business that you're in, right? You can also do email broadcasting, right? So I'm going to put EB for email broadcasting. So email broadcasting, my handwriting on this thing is horrible, guys. I'm sorry. It's hard to do it for you. But email broadcasting, right, that's where, say that you have a special going on for that day. People who join me today, I'll send you back $50. Or if you're a restaurant owner, come in today between 1 and 3 p.m. and wings are 25 cents for the wings, right? So that's an email broadcast. That's something special discount that you just thought of or that came up, and you want to send out an email broadcast that's not in your email sequence, right? So you can send that out as well. And all of this you want to be sending back to your pages, right? So you want to have links in these emails that sends them back, directs them back to buy, right? The buy button down here. So that's how the funnel system works, okay? No matter if you're in network marketing or if you have a business that's online. When I say business online, I mean, you're selling Amazon products, you're selling eBay products, you're a real estate agent that also markets online, you're a DJ that also markets online. Those are businesses online, right? They're not necessarily network marketing where they have a compensation plan, but you're selling something online, okay? So this is the funnel that it works with. So let me show you why the Conversion Pros is one of the best, okay? Look at all this. Now you get all of this for $50 per month. Okay, now remember what I told you up here, okay? aweber.com, just to have autoresponder series, right, starts off at $19 a month all the way up to who knows. You have to get a quote, right? Get Response starts at $15 a month all the way up to $1,200 a month, right? Now this is just for the autoresponder series. Imagine if you also needed to create pages, to create capture pages, right? Because you're going to need to create capture pages to catch their information. You're going to need a page to make a video on. And you may even need a presentation page unless you use your company's, okay? So the Conversion Pros has all of that, right? Capture page creator, you get unlimited. Email autoresponder, text message you can send, okay? They have blog creators. You can create your own blog on here. Mobile website creator. You can see they have a URL rotator. A URL rotator is if you're in a network marketing company and you want to build your team, but you want to place other people under people that fall in under you. You can grab their links, their affiliate links, and put them in a rotator. So each time someone clicks it, so you go purchase traffic to send to your website, and each click, if someone signs up, it will fall under a different person that's underneath of you. So you're helping your team out. So that comes with it. URL rotator. Tiny URL Creator is to make the URL shorter. So instead of a long affiliate link that you have to give someone, you can actually create one to make it shorter to give someone, a link so it doesn't look all long and stupid. They also have leads back here, okay? I'm trying to find out where the leads are. You know what? Let me just log in real quick and I'll show you. They also have training back here. The owner of this company is very hands-on. He has tons of videos. Every tab that you click on right here, there's videos to show you how to do it, right? There's also training, right? There's system training, how to run the system. And there's also webinar training on how to promote your business, okay? Craigslist, YouTube training, writing ad copy, which is big. Offline marketing, branding yourself. They show you how to send this information to local businesses that need our help, right? So if we go to order leads, okay, now this is specifically for MLMers, network marketing companies, okay, because these are leads that have actually opened up a business page or Success from Home magazine and entered their information and wanted more information, right? And then what happens is you get the lead, and you're the only one that gets the lead. So they have generic leads, female-only leads, male-only leads, or live interview leads. Live interview leads is really good because the company, they call them and they interview them before they send them to you. So you'll get the information of how much they're willing to start with, how much time they're willing to invest, and when is the best time to call them. So you already have their information of how much money they're willing to spend on a business and how much time they have to invest in it, which is really good, right? So they have those leads back here as well that you can use. And then unlimited landing pages, right? So you can create unlimited landing pages. So here's some pages that I created. Let's see, here's a travel company I did a test page for. And as you can see, you can have movement in the background of these capture pages as well, right? So you get the palm trees blowing in the background, you get the water showing, that's just something extra that I did. They enter their information and they get all the information on the next end, right? I also have a real estate one that I did, okay? So these are all capture pages that you can create. I also have a property management company one that I did, okay? And you can create these pages and then create landing pages for them as well on the back end. And they can direct to wherever you want them to direct to. Another page, your Facebook page, Facebook fan page, or whatever, okay? So again, this is $50 a month. And oh, here's the bombshell. You get paid $25 per month every time you bring someone on board with this, okay? So if you have a huge team and they need this, they need all these tools, right? If you're going to succeed online. So they're going to get it either from you or from someone else. It might as well be you, and you get paid $25 a month for each person that spends $50 a month on this, on the Conversion Pros, okay? So this is the reason why I think the Conversion Pros is one of the best tools offered out there for online businesses. If you have any other questions, just contact me. I'll leave my information below. I have a couple bonuses that if you join my team, I'll go ahead and give to you. I'll also have the link below for the 7-day free trial of the Conversion Pros, where you do not have to enter any credit card information. All right. Until then, see you at the top. Thanks for listening.